Today I'm going to show what a chat integration would look like between the CXone and the ServiceNow embedded agent. So once you create a chat point of contact in the system and it's configured, you're going to get a piece of code that you can put on any external facing web page, which will give you the live chat button down here. What this will do is then enable a new chat for users visiting the site and be able to route that through CXone to a ServiceNow agent. So I'm going to press on this, which you can set up custom forms for them to fill out before it starts the chat. And what we're going to do with this is use the email address as a search criteria to be able to find a match in the system. And if it finds a match, to be able to pop that user to the agent receiving the chat so they have their information in front of them. So I'm going to first start it off here. Now I'm going to put it into queue. And now I'm going to switch over to the ServiceNow side. And from the agent experience, I'm going to see that there's one contact waiting now. It's in the chat queue. And when I go available, I'm going to accept it or reject it. It already popped the contact, so I know who I'm speaking with. And that starts up the chat in the process. To which now I can switch back over. And now they're in full communication with each other. So now what I can do at this point is work with the customer, finish their issue, and then we would end the contact so I could be able to be put back into the queue to take it to the next chat. At the time that I end it, it knows that we screen popped. And these are all customizable. Knows that we screen pop this user. It's automatically going to pop the contact field. Put in our notes. The time that I submit. Now going to put me back into available, at which time the customer will see the thank you message and they're able to close the chat at that point. So the integration was they started the chat, we did the search into our system, found a match, popped the contact, we're able to communicate over chat, resolve the issue, and tie it to that particular contact. So now, in the contact itself, I can now see I have an incoming chat to which I can look at this chat where I'll get the disposition. The contact type was a chat. It was an inbound. I do get the transcription of the chat pushed over to the chat field here. The skill that it came in on. So we have some information about that particular chat that's tied directly to the contact. And that is the chat integration.